Convicted killer Donald Smith will face a judge once again this morning. This comes weeks after a jury recommended the death penalty for him. Smith brutally murdered an 8-year-old girl, Cherish Periwinkle. Well, First Coast News' Cameron Eppinger is live this morning at the courthouse with much more on the importance of today's hearing. Cam.
Keitha, good morning. We know that Donald Smith will be back in court for what's called a Spencer hearing, and that's simply where the defense will actually try to challenge that death penalty ruling. Now, we also know that the victim's mother, she'll be expected to testify, and she's basically going to deliver what's called a victim impact statement, and she's going to be talking about how this case has taken a physical and emotional toll on her life. Now, when it comes to the Smith's fate, we know that that decision will be ultimately left up to the judge. I had a chance to speak with some local defense attorneys, and they say the judge is expected to stick with that death penalty.
You know, it's a young girl. She died in a horrific manner. And, you know, a judge is going to look at this and say, if the death penalty is lawful in Florida, this is the case that warrants a death penalty. The jury made that unanimous conclusion. There's no reason the judge won't believe that that's the correct conclusion.
It's unclear when the final decision would be made. He went on to say that it could be as early as today, or it could take a couple of days or weeks. It just all depends on how today's hearing will pan out. And again, that hearing is set for 9 a.m. here at the Duval County Courthouse. For now, reporting live in downtown Jacksonville, I'm Cameron Eppinger, First Coast News, on your side.
Thanks for that, Cam. Definitely a story we'll be following throughout the morning, both on air and online at firstcoastnews.com. It's now 4 minutes past the hour.